Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my MailPro review. We're going to be talking about the MailPro software, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with MailPro. This is my bonus page. You'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. MailPro launches on the 9th of February by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a cloud-based autoresponder software that basically allows you to mail unlimited unlimited subscribers, send out unlimited emails, and also you don't need any SMTP because this comes with built-in SMTP. And of course, you are not going to be paying monthly fees using MailPro. Now, whenever there's an opportunity like this, to grab any tool that you need for digital marketing, but without having to pay monthly fees, I usually consider it as an opportunity, and I just think it makes a lot of sense. Because normally, if you are getting Aweber or you are getting GetResponse, you would need to pay monthly fees in order to use any of these autoresponder services. But with MailPro, you would not have to pay monthly fees, and of course, you still get access to all the features of an autoresponder. So I'm going to run through my custom bonuses right now, and then I'm also going to let you see how MailPro works. So bonus number one, you are going to be getting access to my own list of 1,000 plus active buyer subscribers. So you are getting an autoresponder, but the question is, if you are a beginner, you probably don't have a list yet that you can actually mail for profit. Now you are going to be getting access to my own list in the Make Money Online affiliate marketing niche that you can actually send offers from Warrior Plus, from ClickBank. These people actually love to get offers from this in this niche, and then you are going to be getting access to this list plus autoresponder software that you can actually use to mail this list. But of course, you get access to an autoresponder software with MailPro. So that's my bonus number one. Bonus number two, you are going to be getting access to Facebook traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook. Now, this allows you, either you want to build your list or you just want to promote affiliate offers directly. You can set the whole process up on automation such that it keeps driving you traffic even while you are busy doing other things. Also, bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator. Now, in my experience with digital marketing, you find out that bonuses, especially meaningful, high quality bonuses, they would increase your chances of getting conversions, getting sales with this. Even if you are doing email marketing, I would rather send people to my bonus page most of the time so that they can see the bonuses they are going to be getting, in addition to purchasing through my links. So you're going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator with done for you bonuses, which you can actually pick from and create your own bonus page just like this one. And you get access to done for you bonuses, you get access to done for you graphics. The delivery is also automatically being created when you select these bonuses. So that's bonus number three. Bonus number four, you get access to a video traffic software that allows you to use other people's video to drive a ton of traffic. Now, you would not need to create your own videos. Rather, you are going to be able to use other people's video to drive a ton of traffic. You can actually select these videos in any niche, and then you can place your own affiliate links on top of these videos. You can upload images which are going to show up on these videos. These images are going to be clickable. When people actually view these videos, they see your images and then they can click on it, which is going to take them to your link. You can also create clickable call to actions or even place opt-in forms on top of these videos to build your list and drive some high quality traffic in any niche at the same time. Also, bonus number five, did you know you can actually turn your own WordPress website into an autoresponder, also without you having to pay any monthly fees. So from your WordPress website, I'm going to be showing you how to do this, how to turn your WordPress website into an autoresponder, manage your list, and send out emails to your subscribers, which is pretty cool. Bonus number 6, you are going to be getting access to a premium software that comes with done for you bonuses, done for you high quality ClickBank product reviews, Warrior Plus product reviews. Now this also comes with free traffic, and all you need to do to take over these product reviews is to, like in the case of ClickBank, go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, add it to your profile. Now all the done for you product reviews become active with your affiliate links. All the buttons on these pages become your own affiliate links. This comes with free traffic and also free traffic training. Bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to a lead generation and free traffic software. Now you are going to be getting access to done for you squeeze page templates that you can actually select from and slap in your affiliate link to create your campaigns. This allows you to build your list. You can create your own, you can create curiosity on these squeeze pages. People will need to give you their email addresses before they get redirected to your affiliate link. This way you get to keep these contacts, so you can actually make a ton of money with these leads, not just sending people directly to sales pages, without you having these contacts. So this allows you to build your list. You also get access to free lead magnets that you can just give away and make people give you their email addresses before they get what you want to give to them. Also, bonus number 8, one of the issues with newbie affiliate marketers is they don't even know what do they say, how do they put these emails, what are they going to send to these new subscribers, how do you communicate with them. So I'm going to be giving you affiliate marketing swipes. These are swipes that have given me the best conversions in my email marketing journey. And here you are going to be getting access to these swipes that you can actually use. You can modify, you can then replace with your affiliate links, to get you the best results. And of course, bonus number 9, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. So to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page, and it's going to take you to the sales page of MailPro. This is where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the autoresponder. So it says, want to tap into the profitable world of email marketing without spending every last penny on inefficient autoresponders. Send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for unlimited profits with one click and no monthly fee. And of course, this comes with inbuilt SMTP, which is actually pretty cool. So come check out the sales page in your own time to get more information about the MailPro autoresponder. You're also going to find proof of results right here on the sales page. So let's talk about the pricing. The front end of MailPro goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is cool. One-time fee, no monthly fees, inbuilt SMTP. I think this actually makes a lot of sense. And there are some optional upgrades. You have the advanced option, you have the optimizer, you have the agency, you also have the white label. So that's going to be my review of MailPro. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and now stay tuned for the demo.